gentlemen. It is my great pleasure to welcome you to the reception celebrating our National Day, the birthday of His Majesty's Emperor. I would like to extend my special thanks to His Excellency Mr. Miloš Vystrčil, the President of the Senate, for taking the time out of his busy schedule to join us. His recent visit to Japan greatly contributed to strengthening our relations. I also sincerely appreciate the presence of members of the Senate, members of the Chamber of Deputies, and Deputy Ministers. Furthermore, I'd like to express our deep gratitude to the following Japanese and Czech companies and others that have generously supported today's reception: Asahi Beer, Correct Publication, Daikin, Konica Minolta, Mitsubishi Electronic, Panasonic, City of Sakai, Taco Foods, Toray, and Toyota. Yesterday, His Majesty turned 65, and their Majesties remain highly active, frequently visiting areas affected by recent natural disasters, such as Noto region, to encourage the local population. Over the last 3 decades, the Czech-Japan bilateral relations have grown remarkably close across political, economic, and cultural fields. I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all our Czech friends, including those who are present here today, for their continued support and cooperation. Both countries are committed to elevating our relationship to new heights based on a strategic partnership. This year presents a golden opportunity as we anticipate visits from many Czech ministers and business leaders to Japan for the Osaka Kansai Expo. In less than 50 days, the Expo will open its doors to visitors from around the world. They will certainly be amazed with the beautiful Czech pavilion, incorporating Czech wood panels and glass. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 years ago today, Russia launched an unjustifiable aggression against Ukraine, blatantly violating fundamental principles of international law. Since then, Japan, together with our partners, including Czechia, has supported the Ukrainian people and government in every possible way. The war in Ukraine has significantly reshaped our security awareness, and it is now widely acknowledged that security in Europe is closely linked to that of East Asia. This has reinforced our security and defense cooperation with like-minded partners in Europe. Since my arrival in Prague last spring, I have worked to translate this cooperation into concrete actions, culminating in the successful signing of the MOU on defense industry cooperation last year. Strong economic and business ties form the backbone of our bilateral relations. Today, as many as 270 Japanese companies are successfully operating throughout Czechia, the second largest source of foreign investment in the country. These companies actively contribute to expose to European and other overseas markets while creating valuable job opportunities. We also welcome Czech investments in the Japanese market, and for those interested, I encourage them to visit the Prague office of JETRO for useful insights. Osaka Kansai Expo will certainly provide an excellent opportunity to connect with reliable business partners in Japan. Last but not least, I would like to say a few words to my fellow Japanese friends. 皆様、本日は天皇誕生日レセプションにご参加くださりありがとうございます。本日お越しの方も含めて、チェコにおける在留邦人の皆様のご活躍は、良好な二国間関係の基盤となっており、引き続きのご支援をお願い申し上げます。また、今回ブースを出展されたり、商品を提供くださっている企業の皆様には、心より厚く御礼申し上げます。Thank you very much.
Vážený pane velvyslanče, vážené dámy, vážení pánové, vážení ústavní činitelé, zástupci ministerstev, jsem velmi rád, že se dnes mohu připojit k oslavám narozenin veličenstva japonského císaře.
Your Excellency Ambassador, ladies and gentlemen, constitutional representatives, representatives of individual ministries, it gives me a great pleasure to be able to join you in celebrating the birthday of the Emperor of Japan.
Společně se mnou jsou tady dnes mezi námi moji kolegové a další pracovníci Senátu, kteří se mnou navštívili v předminulém týdnu Japonsko.
Together with me here today are other fellow senators, as well as other staff members of the Senate of the Parliament of the Czech Republic who have visited Japan 2 weeks ago, together with me.
Za tu pohostinnost, se kterou jsme byli přijati, velmi si toho vážíme.
So by way of introduction, Your Excellency, let me take this opportunity to express our thanks and gratitude for the overwhelming hospitality that we have been welcomed with in your country. We very much appreciate that.
Osobně jsem cítil, a myslím, že tak stejně to bylo i u mých kolegů, že Japonsko a Česko jsou si velmi blízko, byť navzájem jsou vzdálené tisíce kilometrů.
Personally, I felt, and I'm sure that my colleagues felt the same way, that Japan and Czechia are very close despite of the vast geographical distance.
Naše společenství sdílí stejné hodnoty a v současné době řešíme i podobné problémy.
Our communities share the same values, and moreover, we are also sharing and trying to attend to similar issues and problems.
Stejně jako Česko, jako Evropská unie, i Japonsko cítí, že musíme provést změny, že musíme znovu podpořit svoji konkurenceschopnost, že musíme zvýšit svoji obranyschopnost, že musíme více usilovat společně o ochranu a obranu našich hodnot.
Just like Czechia and the European Union, I think that Japan also finds it very important to improve our competitiveness, the level of competitiveness, defense capabilities, and to actually uphold our values, our common values.
Za Českou republiku jsem rád, že mohu potvrdit, že jsme připraveni dělat všechno pro to, aby vztahy mezi Japonskem a Českou republikou a vztahy mezi Japonskem a Evropskou unii se upevňovaly.
Well, I'm very happy that on behalf of the Czech Republic I can say that we are more than ready and prepared to do everything in our power and our possibilities to actually reaffirm and strengthen the Czech-Japanese relations as well as the Japanese-European Union relations.
Zvláště v dnešní době to považuji za velmi důležité, protože je nutné, abychom chránili své hodnoty, abychom vystupovali jako partneři, jako silné společenství, zvláště ve vztahu k dalším velkým zemím, k velmocem.
I consider this to be very important, especially at these times, to uphold our values, our common values, to actually stand together like big partners and to show to other players in the region.
Pro obranu našich hodnot je samozřejmě důležité, abychom byli ekonomicky vyspělí, aby naše hospodářství spolupracovalo.
And in order to be able to defend our common values, we need to be economically advanced and for our economies to cooperate closely.
Jsem proto rád, že během naší návštěvy se podařili uspořádat 2 business fora, kde se setkali naši čeští podnikatelé s japonskými podnikateli a kde se zdá, že si porozuměli. Já věřím, že i návštěva naší biznisové delegace přinese výhody, přinese úspěch jak pro Českou republiku, tak pro Japonsko.
I'm very happy that in the course of our visit to Japan we have managed to actually organize 2 business forums during which the business representatives of both sides, both Japan and the Czech Republic, have met, and I'm sure that this business mission will actually help us to develop future advantages and benefits for both parties involved.
Velmi bych také rád ocenil organizaci světové výstavy Expo 2025 v Japonsku a jsem velmi rád, že jsme si tam mohli prohlédnout základy českého pavilonu a to, co mi připadalo symbolické, je, že český pavilon, který je již téměř hotov, vzniká při společné práci, při společné stavbě, kde pracují jak čeští, tak japonští pracovníci.
Also, I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the activities and hard work of the organizers of the Expo 2025. It will be held in Osaka in a foreseeable future. And when we had the opportunity to actually visit the Czech pavilion that is almost completed, it was actually quite symbolic to see that the workers working on the completion of the pavilion were both Czech and Japanese.
Jak již tady bylo řečeno, český pavilon je ze dřeva a je obalený sklem a já věřím, že bude dobrým místem pro setkávání českých a japonských podnikatelů, pro rozvoj našeho spojenectví nejen v oblasti hospodářství, ale v oblasti kultury, v oblasti ochrany našich hodnot.
Well, as has been already mentioned by His Excellency, the Czech pavilion is made out of wood and it has a glass facade. I'm sure it will be the perfect venue for the future meetings of the Czech and Japanese business entities and representatives to develop our cooperation not only in the area of economy, but also in the area of culture, for example, and in the area of upholding our common values.
Také já si tady dnes dovolím připomenout třetí výročí od začátku plnohodnotné ruské agrese vůči Ukrajině a chci poděkovat Japonsku za jeho jasný podpůrný postoj Ukrajiny.
Also, I would like to take this opportunity to commemorate the 3rd year anniversary of the full-scale Russian aggression in Ukraine, and I would like to express our gratitude and thanks to Japan for its attitude and for its support.
Na závěr už mi jen dovolte jednu poznámku, kterou jsem trošku legraci, ale zároveň vážně zdůvodňoval, proč si myslím, že Japonsko a Česko má velmi dobrý potenciál dobře spolupracovat.
By way of conclusion, let me actually mention one more remark, which I originally actually mentioned rather on a light note, and it actually elaborates on the reasons why there is a great potential for Czechia and Japan to cooperate.
Český judista Lukáš Krpálek je olympijský vítěz judu a má japonské trenéry.
Lukáš Krpálek, the Czech athlete who competes in judo, he's the world champion and he's trained by Japanese coaches.
A japonská oštěpařka Itaguchi je olympijskou vítězkou oštěpů a má českého trenéra.
And the Japanese javelin thrower Kitaguchi has Czech coaches and she's the Olympic winner in javelin.
Znáte lepší příklad toho, jak nějaká spolupráce mezi Japonskem a Českem může fungovat? Toto je příklad jasný, takže pojďme do toho. Děkuji za spolupráci a ještě jednou blahopřeji k vašemu výročí, k narozeninám vašeho císaře.
So are you aware of any other example of outstanding cooperations of the two countries than this one? I think you cannot actually come up with any single other example. So let's do it, let's cooperate, let's work together. Thank you very much, and once again, happy birthday to the Emperor.
Hi, so you are already surprised to see, but before making toast, let me introduce you to the lovely mascots of Expo. On your left-hand side is Myaku Myaku, an official mascot of Expo 2025, and on the right is Rene, official mascot of Czech National Pavilion. Among the many mascots of the participating countries, Rene is the most popular in Japan, as it is believed to be Myaku Myaku's best friend. You can find out more information about Expo at the booth at the end of this hall. And at the end of the foyer, you can watch a video introducing the Expo. And in the other hall, on the opposite side, you can enjoy Japanese food and sake. Today, we are offering 7 varieties of sake, and please take opportunity to explore and compare the. So,